DoubleTake Auto Spa in Fremont, our work is done on this brand new BMW 2024 BMW X5. And so he went with our paint protection film on the hood and the bumper only. He decided to customize his protection because he already had two tiny rock chips and he only had the vehicle for about 2 or 3 weeks. But again, rock chip damage will happen without protection, and that's why he decided to go with our paint protection film on the hood and the bumper. That's going to last for 10 full years, protecting his vehicle now from getting additional damage. So the paint protection film is going to absorb all the abuse so that the paint doesn't have to. And we were featured in Fremont Porsche's magazine due to our great installations. So what I'm showing you guys is that when you look at this hood, you don't even know that that paint protection film is on there because we wrap all the edges. Let's take a look at this bumper. So this is what you want to look for when you're looking for a paint protection film installer. You want to make sure that they're going to wrap the edges. You want to find out how long that person's been installing. You want to hear 3 years or longer. You want to find out what paint protection film they're going to use and make sure that they're going to give you the manufacturer warranty. Okay, and then you go to their shop and you see their work up close. And you go from there. If all looks good, then you go with that company. But DoubleTake Auto Spa at Fremont is always here for you when you want to get your paint protection film installed with no problems. Our number here at DoubleTake Auto Spa is 510-472-4181. Thanks for watching, you guys, and have a great day.